Dear student, welcome to C programming. In this video, you will learn about overview of C language and history of C language. Finally, we will outline the summary we learn. Let's start with overview of C language. C is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972 at AT&T Bell Labs, USA. His full name is Dennis McAllister Ritchie. He is a well-known American computer scientist. Actually, the thought of developing C language came to Dennis Ritchie when he wanted to re-implement kernel functions of Unix operating system. So, Unix was the first operating system implemented using C language other than assembly language. It was first implemented using DEC PDP-11 computer. DEC stands for Digital Equipment Corporation and PDP stands for Programmed Data Processor. Since 1980s, C has become one of the most widely used programming languages. Let's continue with the overview of C language. It influenced many programming languages like C++, C#, Java, Perl, Python, and so on. It provides core concepts like control structures, loops, arrays, strings, functions, file handling, etc., which are being used in many programming languages like listed above. It means you are learning C means you are not just learning C. You are building a strong foundation to learn any other programming language you would like to learn in future. This is the brief overview of C language. More about the importance of learning C programming we will learn in a separate video. Then coming to the history of C language, it is very interesting to know. Are you thinking like why the name of the language is C? Okay, here we are going to discuss a brief history of C programming. The language ALGOL was developed by a committee of European and American computer scientists in the year 1958. ALGOL stands for Algorithmic Language. Actually, each language has its own advantages and limitations. The limitation of ALGOL is it's too general and too abstract. It influences other programming languages like PL/1 means Programming Language 1, similar BCPL, B, Pascal and C language. After ALGOL, the language CPL was developed by a group of people like Christopher Strachey at Mathematical Laboratory, University of Cambridge. They developed this language in the year 1963. CPL stands for Combined Programming Language. The limitation of this CPL is it is hard to learn and difficult to implement. It was influenced by the previous language which is ALGOL and it influenced the languages BCPL and POP2. Now let's look at the language developed after CPL. It is BCPL. The BCPL was developed by Martin Richards at Cambridge University in the year 1967. The full name of BCPL is Basic Combined Programming Language. The limitation of this language is it deals with only specific problems. It influenced by the previous language, which is CPL, and it influenced the languages B, C and Go. Let's continue with the history of C language. After BCPL, the language B was developed by Ken Thompson at AT&T Bell Labs in the year 1970. This language also deals with only some specific problems. It influenced by the previous languages, which are BCPL, PL1 and TMG. It influenced the programming language C. So, after B language, the language C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Labs in the year 1972, as discussed just now. It overcomes the limitations of the previous languages, which are BCPL, B, etc. And it also inherits the important features of the previous languages, which is BCPL, B and so on. It is simple to learn and easy to implement. And we also discussed that it influenced many programming languages like C++, C#, Java, Python, Perl and many others. This is how C language was developed. As it was developed after B, the name was given as C language. Okay, here is the outline summary. C is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. It is a successor to the B language. It provides many important concepts which are being used in many programming languages like C++, C#, Java, etc. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn about features of C language. In the meantime, please consider answering these practice quiz questions in the comment section below this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.